Good morning again, and welcome back to Manchester. Today we are at the Piccadilly Gardens, and we are going to start our journey here and go all the way up to the Piccadilly Station and show you the surroundings here in town. So, without further ado, welcome and accompany me to this journey. Thank you. Piccadilly Gardens in Manchester boasts a fascinating history that reflects the city's evolution over the centuries. Originally a green space, it is transformed into a bustling transportation hub in the 19th century. With the arrival of trams, over time, the area underwent various redesigns, leading into a creation of its iconic fountains and architectural landmarks. So now discover the so now discover the heart of Manchester in this mesmerizing walking tour from Piccadilly Gardens, Piccadilly Station, and join us in this captivating tour as we embark on a delightful journey through the vibrant streets of Manchester. As we set foot on this leisurely stroll, immerse yourself in the bustling cityscape adorned with shops, cafes, and restaurants, all while breathing in the lively atmosphere that characterizes Manchester's urban charm. Along the way, enjoy the architectural marvels that grace the city's skyline. Experience the pulse of daily life as commuters traveling converge at the Piccadilly Station, a vital transportation hub. On our right hand side, we have the Portland Street, and this is a very busy street that exudes the city's rich history and also a vibrant atmosphere. With its lively mix of commercial establishments, restaurants, and entertainment venues, it serves as a major artery connecting various parts of the city. The street is known for its dynamic energy, drawing locals and visitors alike to its diverse array of offerings. In terms of history, Portland Street has deep roots dating back to the 19th century, when it emerged as an essential part of Manchester's urban expansion during the Industrial Revolution. It was named after the third Duke of Portland, who served as Prime Minister during that era. Over the years, the street has witnessed various transformations and urban developments, evolving into a bustling hub that it is today. Now walking along the Piccadilly Road, which connects the gardens to the Piccadilly train station. This one has a storied history as well that reflects Manchester's growth and transformation over the centuries. Originally known as the Piccadilly, the road dates back to the 18th century, and its name is believed to have derived from Piccadilly, a term for a type of decorative collar popular at that time. The road was once a rural lane outside the city walls, but as Manchester experienced expansion and growth and rapid industrialization during the 19th century, it evolved into a bustling urban thoroughfare. With the advent of the railway system, Piccadilly Road became a crucial transportation route, linking the city centre to the railway station. Over the years, it witnessed various architectural changes and developments, reflecting the city's economic and social shifts, notably the construction of the iconic Piccadilly Plaza in the 1960s. And that marked a significant modernization of the area, adding an element of contemporary urbanity to the historical fabric. Today, Piccadilly Road stands as a dynamic blend of the old and the new, with historic buildings and modern structures lining its path, lining on its path. The bustling roads serve as a lively artery, filled with shops, eateries and cultural attractions, making it a popular destination for both locals and tourists. As a getaway from Piccadilly Gardens to Piccadilly train station, it continues to play a pivotal role in connecting Manchester's past, present and future, offering a glimpse into the city's ever-evolving identity. And now heading to the train station, which is right at the end, in the bottom there on the left hand side. That's the Piccadilly train station. We are greeted by these establishments on our left hand side. This line is full of eateries and cafes to serve the obvious traffic that comes or is going towards the station. Now here we have a very special statue that serves in the station, in the front of the station, that serves as a poignant reminder of Manchester's industrial past. It's a set of men portrayed to embody the hard work and resilience that defined the city during the transformative years. As you stand before this magnificent sculpture, you can't help but feel a connection to the city's past, present, and future. It has become an iconic landmark and a gathering point for both locals and visitors, sparking conversations about Manchester's history and the values it upholds. Now we are perched on the edge of the bike shed at the Piccadilly Station, where we will find ourselves treated to a captivating vantage point. From here, you can take in the lively bustle of Piccadilly Road, a vibrant artery that pulsates with the rhythm of urban life. Trams glide gracefully by as they make the grand entrance into the station. Their sleek and modern design contrasting beautifully with the historical surroundings. Now we're going to cross over to the transport, the general, I think it's called the transport house, General Manchester, or the transport house for Manchester, or the Manchester Transport House. And in front of it will be the University of Campus of Football. It's beautiful views from here. So as we step outside this bridge, we're greeted by the Transport from Greater Manchester building, which stands as a modern architectural design in this area. Beautifully done as well. And it stands right in front of the University Campus of Football. So these have changed, these two blocks in this area have changed the skyline. Quite a few more. Right in front is the University Campus of Football. And it's a heaven, for football enthusiasts and scholars alike. And exudes a passion for the beautiful game that runs deep within Manchester's cultural fabric. As you explore the campus, you'll find yourself immersed in a rich history of football legends and iconic moments that have shaped the sport's legacy. So now we're going to head to the back of the train station. And this is going to be the hub of drop-offs and pickups, and we will be able to seize the opportunity to catch a unique perspective of the Piccadilly train station from this angle. This vantage point is going to allow us to witness the behind the scenes hustle and bustle of the station. Oh, beautiful. This one, if I'm not mistaken, used to be a fire station before, and it has been renovated and now is a cultural hub. So yeah, this is the back or the behind of the Piccadilly Station, and this is where travelers embark on new adventures or reunite with their loved ones after a long journey. With each step of this captivating journey, you're going to gain a deeper appreciation for Manchester's vibrant spirit and its profound connection to transportation, football, and shared human experiences that weave the city's tapestry. Beautiful views. So now we abandon the Piccadilly Station, and we are going to venture into the enchanting Fairfield Street. This historic street holds tales of Manchester's past, and as we walk along its path, we catch sight of the magnificent London Road fire station, an architectural gem that has stood the test of time. Its imposing Victoria facade captivates our attention, and it was built in 19th century. This iconic building once served as a pivotal hub for firefighting operations in the city, safeguarding Manchester for ravages of flames and protecting its people. Though the fire station is no longer in active service, its awe-inspiring beauty has been carefully preserved, and the building has found new life through meticulous restoration efforts. Today, it stands as a symbol of architectural heritage, evoking nostalgia for a bygone era, while serving as a vibrant space for cultural events and community gatherings. So we're going to head further down, and this street is going to be filled with buildings alike, just the other one that we've just seen. There is a very interesting history about the architecture of that is in this street. So from the Fairfield Street, we're going to head on to the Whitworth Street, and that's where we find ourselves in a captivating journey through Manchester architectural heritage today. And so the Whitworth Street is steeped in history, tracing its roots back to the Industrial Revolution, when it played a crucial role in Manchester's booming cotton industry. Beautiful. And along this street, you will find iconic buildings. Some of them have been converted and hotels of renowned, hotels, big brands, and inside they have been renovated, and there's just that perfect balance between the classic and the new, and what we would say, the five-star luxury. Beautiful. It's a beautiful Sunday morning, and the weather has allowed us to record. It was raining yesterday, but well, here we are. It's not the summer that we expected, but as I always say, we should find a reason to come out here and give you some content to enjoy. So today we've been able to see the Piccadilly Gardens and walk all the way up past the Portland Street and onto the Piccadilly train station, which we are and we saw the statue and the history or the information regarding the statue, but also we went to the back of the station and enjoyed the views from there, and then we have come all the way down to the Fairfield Street, where we've seen the London Road, or what used to be the fire station, the London Road fire station, which now has been renovated and is being used as a cultural centre. So now we are heading down here, where we are going to end our video or our recording for today, and we're going to do it behind this building, where I'm going to show you the canal. So yeah, we'll end our video along the canal behind the Whitworth Street within the village, and ready for another journey. It's a beautiful, beautiful place. So thank you all for joining me on this incredible expedition through the heart and soul of Manchester. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share your thoughts and memories of this remarkable city in the comments below. Remember, there's always another journey to take, another story to uncover, and more beauty to behold in this wondrous place. Until next time, keep wondering, keep dreaming, and keep falling in love with Manchester. See you soon.